For today's tooltip, we're going to look at the Lengthen to Fence feature for members. This feature allows you to lengthen one or a group of members at the same time to a new length. For our first example, I'm going to insert the pergola from the Groups option. In this group, there were several members put together to form a pergola. In 3D, we can see the pergola. For our application, we want the length of the pergola to be 15 feet, so all of the members have to be longer. To easily accomplish this, we will use the Lengthen to Fence feature. First, I'm going to insert a dimension to mark the 15-foot desired length of the pergola. I select Tools, Dimensions, Linear Dimension. I left-click to start the dimension on the end pergola edge, and as I move my cursor away, I type 15 feet, and then I hit Enter. A 15-foot dimension attaches to my cursor, and I stretch it away from the pergola, and left-click to set it. The extension line of the dimension is going to be a fence edge to extend the members to. I left-click and hold down my left mouse button to cross through the members. This will select them once I release my left mouse button. Once they are all selected, I right-click and select Lengthen to Fence. I left-click on the 15-foot dimension line and then move towards the pergola. This line is a fence, and the members, once I left-click again, will automatically extend to it. This is a quick way of lengthening the members in that pergola. Next example I will use is exposed rafter tails. I've drawn a roof and I want to extend the rafters out past the fascia board. First step is to convert the roof framing into individual framing members. To do that, select Insert, Members, Convert Framing to Members. Left-click on the roof surface. The roof framing is converted to individual members. I'm going to draw a construction line out past the roof edge 6 inches. Select Tools, Layout, Line. I left-click on the edge of the fascia and then move my cursor away from the roof. As I move my cursor away, I type 6 inches, and the commander area of the screen will accept my dimensions. I hit Enter, and a 6-inch line is drawn. I move my cursor down to form the fence line and left-click again. I right-click and select Finish. That line is the fence line that I'm going to use to extend the rafters. I hold down my left mouse button and cross through the rafters. When I release my left mouse button, they are selected. I right-click and select Lengthen to Fence. I left-click on one end of the line and then left-click on the other end of the line. The rafters extend. Let's take a look at the roof in 3D. We can see the exposed rafter tails. I hope that makes your work easier.